DefenAge has been regarded as a paradigm shift for skincare seen only once per decade. DefenAge's premier product is the Clinical Power Trio, which includes a 2-minute Reveal Masque, 24/7 Barrier Balance Cream, and an 8-in-1 BioSerum. Once or twice a week after cleansing, be sure to dry your face thoroughly. Apply a dollop of the 2-minute Reveal Masque to your face as well as your jawline. Using dry fingertips, gently massage the mask in a circular motion for about 20 seconds or less, depending on your skin's sensitivity. Focus on your nose, forehead, chin, and other areas where blackheads and roughness may develop. Be sure to avoid the eye area. Wait about 2 minutes, and then with moistened fingertips, massage your face until the crystals are completely dissolved. Rinse your face thoroughly and proceed to follow with the 24/7 Barrier Balance Cream. Twice daily after cleansing, place 3 pumps of the cream onto your fingertips. While your skin is still moist, lightly massage the balance cream with your fingertips over your entire face, neck, and décolleté. Be sure to avoid the eye area. Wait approximately 30 seconds and then apply the 8-in-1 BioSerum. Place 2 pumps of the serum onto your fingertips. While your skin is still moist, lightly massage the BioSerum with your fingertips, first around the eyes, then over your entire face, neck, and décolleté. Be sure to follow with sunscreen. This is also effective for all skin types, ages, and ethnicities. Patients using DefenAge have noticed visible correction regarding the 16 signs of aging in just 6 weeks.